Hey, welcome back to Hackyourtechnology. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you like hackers or you wanna be like them? Well, after watching this video, you can definitely look like them. You can definitely look very cool. So, watch this video till the end to know how you can look cool like a hacker. Okay, so here this cool trailer you just saw, I recorded using the same trick I'm going to tell you. Okay, so here's a website hackertyper.net. You need to open this website and here you can type anything random on the screen. You will see random codes typing automatically, which really looks cool. You must have seen in movies these type of things, so all that is done using these kind of tricks only. Now if you have a dual monitor, you can open this another website geekprank.com on the second monitor, and then when you will start it, you will see really cool stuff. You can simply open these folders, some of which shows live cam footage, also some nuclear plant schematics, and these all things are not real, it's just for the fun. Okay, so just remember this. You can use this trick to record some cool videos like the intro you must have seen in my video, or maybe to prank your friends. Now some of you might ask how I made this trailer video. So I have recorded this video with my phone and edited it using Premiere Pro. You can do it yourself easily. There are a lot of tutorials for the same online, or if you want me to make the video on the same, then do comment down below. So guys, that's it. Enjoy with this amazing trick. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also, please share the video.